My name is Ryan Nichols. I run marketing and product management for Appirio. Appirio accelerates the adoption of on-demand in the enterprise. We help organizations get up and running using Google Apps. Our interest in Google Apps is simple. We see it unleashing tremendous customer impact. People work better when they're using tools that they love. When the barrier to reaching out and sharing that piece of information, sharing that piece of communication, reaching out to a colleague becomes so low that you do it automatically, there's no friction. When you take that out of the enterprise, people simply work better together. Appirio helps organizations get up and running on Google Apps from beginning to end. We'll start by helping you form a plan. Where do you want to start? Which piece of the Google Apps portfolio? We'll design a pilot for you with a particular audience within your organization. We'll then run the migration and the implementation of the Google Apps portfolio, and then do change management. Help really make Google Apps productive in your organization. Google Apps were built for consumer internet scale applications, millions of users. Certainly applications that are robust enough to start with an organization in a particular area, but then grow as an organization grows. Extremely scalable. Secondly, we love the flexibility and the openness. Partners like Appirio can use Google Apps to connect different pieces of an organization together. We love that flexibility. Third is usability. We find that it's a pleasure to get an application set into an enterprise that people simply love to use. Salesforce is the leading provider of on-demand CRM and on-demand platform capabilities for the enterprise. Salesforce.com wants to run their entire business on the cloud. Moving the communication and collaboration solutions of Google Apps is part of that solution. Appirio developed a set of solutions to connect Salesforce.com and Google Apps. We offer a portfolio of products that allow users to keep their calendars and address books in sync between Salesforce.com and Google Apps. We help them take information from Salesforce and publish it into a Google environment in an easy-to-share calendar or an easy-to-share Google gadget that can be embedded in a start page or a Google site. These are all products that we've created to help organizations bridge the gap between Salesforce.com and Google Apps. Our work connecting Salesforce.com to Google Apps is only possible because these are two on-demand solutions. With on-premise solutions, it's simply not possible to make the connections between the tools that are used in the back office to manage complex business processes and user-focused tools. Too many different versions to worry about, not flexible enough to handle the sort of innovative solutions that we were able to create between Salesforce.com and Google Apps in a very short time period. We're just at the beginning of bringing together business solutions with communication and collaboration tools. Our portfolio of products offering sync and publish are just the starting point for what we imagine to be a very rich capability of taking information, structured business information, from solutions like Salesforce.com and making them available right at the moment when people need them. As they're writing that email or scheduling that calendar appointment, wouldn't it be nice to know if the person that you're reaching out to is an important client in the middle of a negotiation with one of the other departments in your organization? Providing that sort of business context is something that Appirio is looking forward to bringing to organizations of all sizes.